Hi, this is Chuck Hanrahan with the Better Together Building Update. We're standing here at the entrance of the new Outreach Center, and I just want to show you the interior of where we are. It's late September right now, and there's only about 6 weeks or so left of construction, so we're getting real close to the end.
Here is our new elevator, almost complete. And here we are with the first coat of paint and protected new flooring, molding and trims to follow. This is video from several months ago as drywall was being hung. Here is a new room where the back porch used to be. And this is the old first floor kitchen. These will be back room spaces for the storehouse. Here is the meditation room before construction. And here are the new clinic rooms as they stand at the end of September. Here is the back staircase, which has since been removed, and the upstairs before construction. And here we are today coming in from the new entrance. We have trim, molding, and more paint to follow.
There are over 100 windows in 1010. We reviewed all of them, and some of them were in really bad shape. We've removed about 12 of them, which are being restored currently. Here you see the removed windows in front of the building.
Here is the basement level before construction started. And here we are today, paint, molding, and trim to follow.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have enjoyed this series. Please join us for the Community Outreach Center dedication ceremony on Sunday, November 20th after the 11 a.m. service. The COC will also be open for tours on Saturday, November 19th. For more information or for times, please visit asburyfirst.org/COC.